becoming one of the most intriguing and groundbreaking additions in DJI's drone ecosystem because it doesn't just refine what FPV drones or 360-degree cameras already do. It merges both categories into one hybrid powerhouse specifically engineered for creators, filmmakers, action sports shooters, VR content producers, and anyone who wants more flexibility in aerial video storytelling. Instead of forcing users to choose between fast immersive FPV flying and high-resolution 360-degree cinematic capture, this innovative drone attempts to deliver both experiences simultaneously, ultimately replacing the need to carry multiple devices such as a 360 action camera, a GoPro-mounted FPV quad, or a standard consumer drone. With each leak, insider report, and regulatory document, it becomes more obvious that DJI is pushing into new creative territory, giving users the ability to record from every direction while still enjoying low-latency first-person control. The expected core feature that sets the Avata 360 apart is its dual-camera imaging system, two large 1/1.1-inch sensors optimized for capturing crisp, immersive spherical footage with advanced stabilization, improved clarity in low light, and incredible reframing freedom. For the first time in a DJI FPV-style drone, creators might be able to look anywhere in the footage after the flight, upward, downward, behind the drone, or even in third-person follow mode perspective, transforming ordinary aerial content into VR-ready experiences perfect for YouTube, Meta Quest headsets, and immersive media platforms. Even more exciting, leaked design diagrams indicate that the entire lens and gimbal housing can swivel or tilt up to 90 degrees, enabling pilots to swap on the fly between forward-facing FPV shooting and full spherical 360 degrees capture without sacrificing speed or agility. This rotating camera build, if executed reliably, will introduce never-before-seen filming angles, creative transitions, and drone maneuvers that previously required expensive rigs and complicated post-production. Adding to this, the Avata 360 isn't just a bare-bones FPV aircraft. It appears to include enhanced obstacle detection sensors positioned on multiple sides, potentially using both optical systems and LiDAR-style ranging technology to make flying safer in urban areas, indoor environments, and forest trails. By preserving sensors without sacrificing responsiveness, DJI may finally deliver a true accessible FPV entry point for beginners, while still providing skilled pilots the freedom to perform precise momentum-driven movements. The rumored video specs alone place this drone on a completely different level in the aerial content space, up to 8K 360 degrees video at 50 FPS, allowing detailed reframing even after heavy cropping, and forward mode 4K footage at up to 120 FPS for slow-motion action sequences that highlight speed and motion in chase shots, parkour runs, or mountain biking trails. With anticipated 10-bit color depth, D-log recording, horizon leveling, better dynamic range, and smart AI-powered processing, footage will have greater flexibility during professional color grading. The still imagery performance may reach approximately 38 megapixels panoramic visuals, giving photographers huge resolution for immersive landscape prints, real estate marketing, or tourism campaigns where scale and perspective matter most. Despite carrying two lenses and more electronic components than earlier models, leaked specifications suggest the upcoming high-capacity battery, around 38.67 watt-hours, will support an estimated 25 to 30 minutes of real-world flying, which is a strong achievement for a drone capable of high-speed FPV control. Its aerodynamic chassis seems slightly bulkier compared to earlier Avata versions, but still optimized for responsive control, quick rolls, tight turns, and smooth cinematic gliding, appealing to both freestyle pilots and content professionals. With DJI's latest video transmission technology, the range could reach a theoretical 20 kilometers under ideal conditions, ensuring a clean, low-latency HD feed through DJI goggles, making flights more stable even around interference-heavy areas like city rooftops. The versatility here is where Avata 360 changes filmmaking workflows forever. Creators can capture everything in one flight, then later edit multiple camera angles, a forward path shot, a rear follow angle, a selfie-style vlog perspective, or a top-down bird's eye frame, all extracted from the same recorded file. Such a single capture multi-output workflow saves battery life, reduces retakes, and dramatically improves editing choices. Travel vloggers could film iconic landmarks without worrying about manually pointing the camera. Event filmmakers could follow fast-moving performers and still capture audience reactions. Real estate videographers could create interactive VR walkthroughs with ease. Educators and virtual tourism content creators could build immersive learning experiences. The drone is built to serve more than adventurous pilots. It's a tool for digital storytelling evolution in the age of mixed reality and spatial computing. Still, realism is necessary. Current details are pre-launch and actual performance may vary when the final firmware arrives. The biggest concerns involve lens stitching accuracy, heat management, durability of the mechanical rotating camera system, and stabilization reliability during fast spins or aggressive maneuvers. Editing 8K spherical content is extremely demanding and will require powerful PCs, updated software, and efficient storage workflows. Pricing is also unknown, but considering dual lenses, advanced sensors, upgraded battery, and the hybrid positioning, it will likely sit in a premium price tier above casual consumer models, appealing more to professional creators than one-time hobbyists. Yet despite challenges, the anticipation around the DJI Avata 360 proves creators are willing to push boundaries for new visual storytelling possibilities. This drone symbolizes a shift toward more immersive aerial filmmaking, where exploring perspectives beyond a single camera direction becomes the new normal. And if DJI perfects this design, the Avata 360 could become one of the most influential content creation drones of its generation, empowering YouTubers, FPV pilots, tech reviewers, VR filmmakers, and cinema-grade storytellers to unlock creative angles that previously required two separate drones, two operators, or a huge filming budget. Ultimately, the Avata 360 stands not just as a drone upgrade, but as a bold leap into the future of immersive media production, spatial video innovation, and hybrid aerial cinematography.